In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password on your Google account, ensuring that your personal information remains secure. It's a straightforward process, so let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to head over to your Gmail inbox, open your preferred web browser and type in mail.google.com, then log in with your credentials if prompted. Once you're in your inbox, look for your profile picture or icon located in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the Manage Your Google Account option. This step is crucial because it will take you to your Google account settings page where you can configure numerous options related to your account. Now that you're on the Google account settings page, look at the navigation panel on the left side and find the option that says Security. Click on it, which will lead you to the Security Settings section. This area is where you can manage various security features to protect your account, like enabling two-step verification, checking on recent security activity, and of course, changing your password. At this point, you'll see a section labeled Signing into Google. Within this section, there should be an option titled Password. Click on it and you might be asked to verify your identity. Google does this to ensure that only the rightful account owner can make such an important change. You'll need to enter your current password to confirm it's really you making the changes. This step is another layer of security to protect your account from unauthorized access. So, go ahead and type in your current password and click Next. Once you've verified your identity, it's time to create a new password. This is an important step that comes with a few best practices. Choose a password that is strong and unique. A robust password typically includes a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Try to avoid using easily guessed information such as birthdays or common words. A secure password is vital for keeping your account safe from unauthorized access. After you've entered your new password twice to confirm it, click on Change Password. If both entries match, your password will be updated successfully. This means your account is now protected with your new credentials. Congratulations, you're done. Your Google account is now more secure with your new password. Remember to keep this password safe and consider changing it regularly to maintain the security of your account. Thanks for tuning in today.